Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can apply for Google AdSense from your YouTube channel. You can simply go here and click on Earn, then scroll down. Make sure that you have completed 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. So make sure that you have turned on two-step verification as well as your channel follow community guidelines. Then after that you can simply click on apply now button, and then here you can see these are the three steps. So in step 1, YouTube team will review your channel, and after that you can apply for Google AdSense. So first of all click here, then scroll down, and you need to accept these terms and conditions, then click on accept terms button. So after that, step 2, in step 2 you need to sign up for Google AdSense. Just you can go here and click on start button, and here you can select these options. If you have existing AdSense account, then you can select this one, then click on continue button. So now here I need to add email on which I have YouTube AdSense. And if you don't have AdSense, then you can simply go and create your AdSense account. So now I need to log in into my email. For that I can use another way, this one. Then let me add security code. So guys, here you can see I have logged in into my email on which I have YouTube AdSense account. So after that click on continue button, then click on setup account, and after that here you can click on redirect to YouTube. So guys, here you can see we have successfully linked an AdSense YouTube account. Then after that here you can see step 3 in progress. So once YouTube team will review this channel, and after that they will check if channel is eligible and follow all of the community guidelines for the monetization. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.